Welcome to AgileBudhi. First of all, what is AgileBudhi? What we call Agile. Here you know about Agile framework, right? DevOps methodology. So Buddhi means in philosophy we call intelligent as a Buddhi. So empowering digital transformation journey with AI-driven Agile method. Our solution and this of AI-powered project management system, Agile cloud service, totally cloud architecture. Yeah. In Agile method. And document you to upload that they provide what is the deadline. As per deadline, our agent yeah to I will ask any question like yeah it will update AI suggestion. So based on prioritize like collaboration. Yeah, this is the answer. Here you can see the Kanban board. So yeah, add another task. I can add this. Here you can see. This is the design document. Then go about development. Here you can development want to generate code you can go to your code data structure upload your code. Yeah, that's it for developer assistant. Next one the advanced something find some bug. Here you can find some. If you want to do testing, here you can testing also. So if you want to do and privacy want to do here you can want to test case find your code and it will get a test case. Um, dev assist deployment assistant want to generate a code review same as a development assist. The system maintenance code here whatever database timeout whatever work here you can work and start work. So here we can see the system health. Here we can everything is everything is maintenance journey. Here we can overall how many lesson how many tasks we get what is the productivity takes budget and utilization velocity. Last one you can see performance dashboard light mode dark mode. This is the light mode and here point cover open is available for and how many what are the productivities how much time allocation. Here is live dashboard and open AI or large language model tool. Yeah. So this is our demo. Thank you so much. And if you have a doubt, contribute